guys, welcome back. It is Kyle here with another video. It is my 13th birthday now, and my dad has said that I can make another video, and this time it is how to become YouTube famous. And one day when I am YouTube famous, my stepdad will finally see that YouTube is an actual career. Okay, so step one is you gotta make videos to get famous on YouTube. Otherwise you won't get famous. You can't get famous through commenting. You gotta get famous through videos. So the way to do it is you gotta make a video that people are really gonna like. I recommend trying TikTok and just taking your stuff from TikTok. You can film yourself dancing or singing or flirting or anything like that. I'm gonna try flirting through TikTok. I think it's gonna be the way forward for this channel to make a really good professional looking YouTube. But as well as that, you really wanna you wanna do some market research. Okay, so what do I mean by this? I mean seeing what other professional YouTubers are doing, like PewDiePie and JonTron and Markiplier and Markiplier, and you gotta try and do similar to what they do, but better in a way. And then I think you'll see eventually in time I think you'll see in time that your YouTube will be amazing. You want to make sure that you've got a good jokes in there, good jokes. So for one, what's the ninja's favorite drink? Karate. See, you want to thrill your audience with really funny jokes like that. See, I'm laughing myself, frankly. And I recommend just you wanna get trending somehow. So you gotta make content that's gonna be trendy, and it will set the next trend. And it's so that's what you gotta do. And yeah, I recommend so it's gotta be great, it's gotta be funny and smart, and it's gotta have good personality, and as for tags, I don't do any of that. Description, don't worry about that so much. It's at the end of the day, the video will either succeed or it won't, but one thing I'm trying to do is to get the attention of my buddy PewDiePie, who I'm actually friends with in real life, and I want him to comment or share my channel. So yeah, and always remember at the end of each video, tell all your friends what to do. Sorry, what I meant by that is, you gotta tell your friends to share the video, and to subscribe, and share the video. Okay? So, I'll be back again soon with a new video. It's gonna be really great. I'm gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna be funny though. So I hope you find it funny. As I say, it's your boy Kyle, and this video is brought to you by Monster Energy. So enjoy. And remember, peace out, bro hoof, and yeah. So just be a good YouTuber, basically. Yes, it's How to Be a Good YouTuber by Kyle Thornton. No, just Kyle. Just call me Kyle. AKA Epic Roblox XDD. It's not really meant to be XDD, but like, you know, sort of a sort of smiley face sort of thing. In the next video, I think I'm gonna teach you how to get a girlfriend. So, next time, frickin' noobs.